evening, all. It is Bob at 2 Pounds Breaks. Tuesday, January the 23rd. We're breaking Gold Rush multi-sport jerseys. It's a 2-box break, and we did pick a name, get 3 by a random. On the left, we've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers, gave them a minute to trade, but nobody's in a trading mood tonight. Before that, we randomed up our boxes. In the first case, we got 1 and 3. Here we go. Alright, guys. Pop, pop. Let's see if we're going to start off with something nice for you. I don't know who that is, guys. Something a little different. Oh, gonna be a Robitaille. Guess that's gonna be Luke. Yeah, I don't know what these are worth now, but Luke used to go for some decent money, man. Bam. Going to be Luke Robitaille, guys. JSA sticker and card on it. She is a nice custom, man. Going to be the Kings jersey. Haven't pulled Robitaille in a long time, man. I said I have no idea where the value is now, but used to go for an alright buck. The graph, yeah, it's actually not bad, but it's sort of the light because of that white jersey, man, and my lights. But you can see, bud, it's actually not a bad sig at all. I mean, this part's a little bit light there on the swoop, but and I guess they're saying, yeah, got the Hall of Fame script on it as well there, bud. And it's going to Irish. Well, guys, at least we're getting some different names here, man. That's one of the things I like. We had some cases there we kept getting a few of the same names out of. I do like the fact our last few have been yielding us some different names here finally. Box 3. Bam. Alright, guys. Boom. Is it gonna be Stalwart? No, Palamalu, guys. Well, not too bad boxes there. Like I said, I have no idea on the overall values, but 2 good names for us. Seem to be getting a lot of Steelers again, though, man. Last few cases, we've had a Steeler a case again, man. Gonna be Palamalu. On that one. get Witness hologram on her, guys. And they're saying Kyle for Palomalu. Yep, gonna be Kyle on that one, guys. Well, sorry everybody else. Congrats to Irish and Kyle there, man. Hopefully we'll continue to get some new names here, guys, in our next few breaks. See if we can't find one of them damn box hits here, man. So that's going to wrap up that 2-boxer, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, even Whatnot, and Kick, 8 p.m. Central.